Is your 2013-2016 Chevy Malibu key fob not working reliably? A dead or weak battery is the most common cause. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective solution, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Before you begin, gather these simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a thin key, and a new CR2032 battery. Optional, but recommended, a soft cloth or cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol to clean any corrosion inside the fob. Work in a clean, dry area to avoid damaging the fob's electronics. To open the key fob, first locate the small notch or slot on the side of the fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or key into the notch and twist to pry the fob open. The fob should separate into two halves. Once the fob is open, you'll see the circuit board and the battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Use tweezers or your fingers to carefully remove the old battery. If there's any corrosion, gently clean the contacts with a soft cloth or cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Now carefully align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together. Ensure the case is securely closed to protect the internal components. Test the fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons. You should see the car respond immediately. Finally, test the range. The fob should work from 10 to 20 feet away from the vehicle. In most cases, replacing the battery won't require reprogramming. However, if the fob doesn't work after the battery replacement, you may need to reprogram it. Consult your owner's manual for specific instructions. A common method involves holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds while inside the car. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, double-check the battery polarity. The positive terminal should face up in the holder. Ensure the battery is new and from a reputable brand like Duracell or Energizer to prevent leaks and corrosion. Avoid using generic or cheap batteries, as they have a higher failure rate and can damage the fob's circuit board. If problems continue despite correct installation, take your Malibu to a certified Chevrolet technician for professional diagnosis. Remember to dispose of old batteries properly at designated hazardous waste collection points, as they contain lithium and should not go in regular trash.